8 secrets to get him miss you like crazy. They say that absence makes the heart grow fonder. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to be remembered by their man? Whether you have a crush on a new guy, the flame between you and your partner, or maybe your husband has faded, or want to make an ex jealous, the trick is to make him miss you. So, how do you go about doing this? Secrets we reveal to you in this video will teach you all you need to know to make your guy miss you, while also loving you even more. 1. Make it difficult for him to forget you. Now it's your chance to get a signature, but not the writing kind. You want to locate something that will remind him of you, even when you aren't alone. By arousing his feelings for you, when you aren't even around, he will begin missing you right away. But what is a signature exactly? There are numerous options to consider. A perfume that you always wear, your favorite food, the way you speak, certain phrases you use, your favorite color. There are lots of choices to pick from. The most popular method is to select a signature scent, which evokes memories. It's time to purge your bathroom of all scents and stick to just one. But how do you go about making your decision? Take a look at what you already own. Go shopping with an open mind. Try a few different perfumes. Select an uncommon one. Commit. It won't just work on him. It'll also work on your friends and family, who will connect you with that fragrance. He would be able to smell you even if you are not present after spending some time at his car. It's the ideal way for him to miss you. And he'll miss you even more after 8 weeks. 2. Always leave him craving more. When you have a taste of anything delicious, you will constantly desire more. Men desire what they are unable to get. If you give him everything he wants straight away, rather than forcing him to fight for you, he'll know he's on easy street. What pleasure is it to get something without having to fight for it? Don't overdo it with the flirting, and don't offer him everything. On the first date, for example, do not give him a kiss. Make him earn every ounce of love you shower on him. Men want to work for what they want, and your emotions should be no different. If you made it a bit more difficult for him to be in your good graces, he'll appreciate it more. 3. Give yourself a well-deserved makeover. It may sound corny, but a new look will do wonders for making him miss you. This works especially well if the man you're looking for is an ex. Maybe you get a new haircut, go to the mall for a fresh makeup look, or put on seductive new clothing. Not only will your new appearance make you feel better about yourself, but it will also make that special someone want to see you again. Make sure you go somewhere you know they'll be, so you can show off your new look. If he sees you looking amazing, he'll start thinking about you and wanting to be closer to you. This is especially effective if you're attracting the attention of others. If a full makeover isn't for you, consider a new hairstyle or a different lipstick color. This will make him realize how far you've progressed. 4. End the conversation first. I know you could talk to him for hours and not want the encounter to stop, but keep in mind that we want to give him time to miss you. Make sure you're the one to close the chat, whether you're on the phone in person or simply messaging. Of course, you must wait for the right time to do so. You don't want to leave him hanging by not responding to his questions. Make sure you're the one who hangs up the phone or texts a goodbye or goodnight message. The idea is to keep him interested in talking more. If you play hard to get, his desire for you will become stronger and he will be unable to forget about you. You'll make him ache more and more for you. This is especially difficult since you want to keep the discussion continuing while he's being responsive. But it's actually best to stay firm and end it. Soon, he'll be more inclined to connect with you, and you'll have another opportunity to get to know him. He'll be more likely to reach out to you if you stop the conversation first. 5. Make a conscious effort in the small things. After all, it's the simple things that make a difference. It's time to step up your game, whether you're in a committed relationship or still getting to know the person. Rather than approaching him aggressively, take a step back and figure out exactly what he wants. Pay attention to the small things. How does he like his tea? What kind of breakfast does he prefer? What are his passions? What is his preferred drink? What is his favorite dish? Use this information to occasionally surprise him. For example, when you offer dinner, order his favorite dish. Make him a cup of tea before he gets out of bed. Plan a day together doing something he enjoys. He'll notice, believe me. And it's the simple things like this that will make him miss you when you're not there. 6. Don't put other things on hold for him. If you're in a committed relationship with this guy, he'll undoubtedly be one of your top priorities in life. But if you want him to miss you, he can't always be first. Respect him and make plans with him, but don't be scared to make your own. Don't abandon your plans just because he doesn't like them. Your family and friends, your profession, and your overall well-being must all be prioritized. Sending him the message, while you love him, he is not the center of your universe, will result in a healthier, more respectful relationship between you. 7. Avoid text bombing. Text bombing is the practice of sending text after text, without waiting for the receiver to answer. If you like to send new text in pages, that's okay. But keep in mind that if you want him to miss you, you should limit your communication. Once again, it all boils down to confidence. You won't feel the urge to text all the time if you're secure and confident in yourself. If you're missing your man and want to communicate, set aside some time to talk undisturbed. Understand that he will be busy, that you will have people to see and things to do. And more significantly, you do, don't you? Keep yourself occupied, and time will fly by. 8. Discover your spontaneous side. Men adore surprise. Unfortunately, one study discovered that women are less spontaneous than men. It's time to change that. The excitement and anxiety that results from surprising your man raise their libido and heighten their sexual desire. Simply said, it makes him want you. Of all, spontaneity isn't limited to sex. There are plenty more methods to surprise him. Give him a massage as he watches his favorite movie. Bring him to his favorite sport even if you don't enjoy it. Pack his suitcase and plan a surprise weekend away for him. It's all about thinking outside the box and completely surprising him. Why is this making him want you even more? Because it demonstrates to him that he does not fully understand you. You are unpredictable. You're entertaining and vibrant, and you keep things interesting. This will attract him to you and cause him to miss you while you are not present. You now know how to make a man miss you when you're apart. But how do you make a man desire you so badly that he wants to devote his entire life to you, commit to you and only you, and make you his forever? Make him fall in love quickly so that his emotional tie with you is so deep that he will never want to willingly break it. Go check out the first link in this video's description under Recommended Solution. Well, that's all for today from Brainy Facts. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you do not want to miss our next social psychology video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another interesting video.